So very good evening to all aviation lovers. Today is the last day to join the crash course to crack the airline's interview of ground staff and to crack the airline's interview of cabin crew. Guys, before starting the video, let me make things clear that I have cracked 6 ground staff interview and 1 cabin crew interview, and from our coaching institute total 77 selections are there. So if you want to crack the airline's interview, today is the last day to enroll for the crash course. If you join at 15th of November, you will be ready to give the interview at 1st of December. If you join at 1st of December, you will be ready to give interview 15th of December. So time plays a very important role. Earlier you join the crash course, earlier you will be getting the knowledge, and earlier you will be getting a knowledge of how to cracking the interview. So do join the crash course. Today is the last day. After that, there will be no enrollment for the crash courses. The enrollment will start at the next, 1 December, right? So do join the crash course. And guys, to join, send a WhatsApp message in my number 7999508444. Today is the last day, and I give coaching for both the things, for ground staff and as well as for cabin crew. Right? Most of the girls have failed in the cabin crew. Right? Let me make things clear. If you'll go again with less guidance or misguidance, you will again fail. So what I will suggest is that do join the crash course. You will get much more better clarity that what we are looking for and what response you gave. Right? So I know what. If the HR is sitting, if an HR is taking an interview response, so no need to give response according to you. You have to give the response according to that person who is sitting in front of you. So today is the last day for the enrollment of crash course, and after that thing, I will not be able to add anyone. I will not be able to add anyone in the middle of the batches. Right? Once it gets started, so it is started. It will be ending at 15th of. It will be ending at 1 of December. So in between, I would not be able to add you. And guys, let me make few things clear that in the next upcoming 3 months, lot of vacancies are going to come. Right? Lot of amazing vacancies are going to come. So I coach for both the things, ground staff as well as cabin crew. So in the upcoming month, lot of vacancies are going to come, and this is the best time to join the crash course, and this is the best time to crack the interview. And one more thing, guys, there are 3 to 4 batches in a day. First batch is in morning 9 to 10. Second batch is in afternoon 12 to 1. Third batch is in again 4 to 5, and the next batch is 6 to 7. So there are a lot of batches in a day. No need to worry for the timing, right? Let's just do join the crash course. Today is the last day. To join, send a WhatsApp message in my number 7999508444. Do join fast.